Hello, and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion for the unit ICT, Skills and Uses for Higher Education. In this video, we will explore how to effectively apply ICT skills and integrate a range of software applications to support academic tasks, enhance learning, and meet higher education standards. This unit requires completion of 2 tasks to pass. It focuses on academic ICT skills for higher education. Correct referencing and online safety are essential. All evidence must be submitted together. Let's explore the assignment details. Prepare for academic study by focusing on social media use and online safeguarding. Research, evaluate, and present information digitally. Use ICT tools appropriately and safely. Your work must demonstrate academic standards. Let's dive into the learning outcomes. Develop research skills using ICT. Apply a range of software applications. Understand safe use of internet technologies. Recognize the value of ICT in academic work. Now, let's look at Task 1. Select 4 pieces of information from credible academic sources. Focus on social media's advantages and disadvantages in academia. Include the importance of online safeguarding. Ensure all sources are academic and credible. Let's discuss selecting and referencing information. Explain why you selected the 4 sources. Justify their credibility and relevance. Explain how each source supports the topic. Meet assessment criteria 1.1 and 1.3. Now, let's move to the literature review. Produce a literature review of about 600 words. Discuss social media use in higher education. Analyze issues surrounding online safeguarding. Use appropriate academic referencing. Let's proceed to Task 2. Create an academic poster based on Task 1 research. Address social media and safeguarding online. Ensure information is concise, visual, and academic. Use appropriate software applications. Let's evaluate software applications. Describe a range of software applications suitable for posters. Evaluate the usefulness of 2 applications. Write approximately 250 words. Meet assessment criterion 2.1. Now, let's look at poster requirements. Integrate objects like images, diagrams, or charts. Ensure visual clarity and effective communication. Use information from Task 1. Meet assessment criterion 2.2. Let's move to reflective evaluation. Write a 500-word reflection on creating the poster. Explain software choices. Discuss what worked well and what could be improved. Evaluate how ICT improved academic work. Meet assessment criteria 2.3 and 4.1. Use a recognized referencing system consistently. Reference all sources accurately. Include a full bibliography. Avoid plagiarism and poor academic practice. Let's discuss safeguarding and online safety. Understand risks of social media use. Protect personal data and digital identity. Apply safeguarding principles in academic work. Evaluate ethical and professional responsibilities. Now, let's cover submission guidance. Submit written work and academic poster together. Ensure files are clearly named. Check word counts and criteria coverage. Confirm authenticity declaration before submission. Let's explore suggested learning resources. Use academic journals and ebooks. Access university library databases. Follow guidance on academic referencing. Utilize tutor-provided ICT resources. Now, let's conclude our presentation. In conclusion, this video provides a structured guide to navigating your academic journey effectively. By applying the strategies and insights presented, learners can enhance their understanding, improve their study practices, and achieve their educational goals with greater confidence and efficiency. The guidance offered serves as a practical framework to support continuous learning and personal development throughout the academic experience. For any support or questions, contact us on WhatsApp at 074843 61688. We are happy to assist. Thanks for your attention and see you soon.